Patient portal is now available to Smiles and Motion patients who have private insurance to cover their treatment costs. The portal will give you access to insurance forms, account balance, upcoming appointments, and many more. We will send an email that contains a link to your patient portal as well as instructions to register. If you are trying to access financial documents like insurance forms and receipts, please use a laptop, tablet, or desktop device. If you have not created an account yet, click the link in the email and click on the Register Responsible Party. Enter the same responsible party first and last name as provided in the email. If you are responsible for multiple patients, you will only need to register with one patient's birthday. Click Register, create a password. You should receive a 6-digit code through text with the phone number we have on the file. Put the 6-digit code in the code box. Once verified, return back to the email we sent. Click the link and log in with your email and new password. Your dashboard will give you access to all the patient information, including the upcoming appointments and the previous visits. Click on the patient's name under the picture to access contact information, insurance forms, account balance, send us a message, refer a friend, and for educational videos. To access all of your insurance documents, click the pen icon. Click the form you want to download and download it to your computer. To access your receipts, hit the Stat Money icon. Locate the specific payment and charge from the list. Click on the magnifying glass, the search icon, to open and download the receipts to your computer. Please note, financial forms may take 7 to 10 days for the insurance forms to appear. Patient portal contains personal and sensitive information. Be cautious while sharing the patient's login information.